Hello everyone, it's Kaya. Привет всем, это Kaya. Letters in the Russian alphabet comparable to English pronunciation include A, K, M, O, and T. And that's why these letters of our first category, the true friends. About first two letters I was explaining in part 1, and today we are going to explore three last letters from this category: M, O, T. Letter M, pronounced like M in man. The Russian letter M is pronounced like the English letter M. It looks like this: M in uppercase and M in lowercase. It's one of the simpler letters in the Russian alphabet. When you see M in a word, it often represents the sound M, as in mother in English. In words, M can appear at the beginning, middle, or end. For example, at the beginning, Mama. Mama means mom. In the middle, Lampa. Lampa means lamp. At the end, Dom. Dom means house. There is nothing special that I would add to this letter, so you should easily remember it. Letter O. The Russian letter O is pronounced like the English letter O. It looks like O in uppercase and O in lowercase. You can imagine the letter O as a round circle like the shape of a ball. It's simple and common letter in the Russian alphabet. When you see O in word, it often represents the sound O, as in open in English. However, when O is stressed, it's pronounced like O in bore. When unstressed, it is pronounced more like the letter A. This might confusing you now, but as you will be learning more words, you will start recognizing which ones to pronounce with O and which ones with A, and you will know where to put the stress. In words, O can appear at the beginning, middle, or at the end. For example, at the beginning, akno. Akno means window. Here is a clear example where the first O is unstressed and it's pronounced more like A. The O at the end is stressed and it gives clear sound O. If O in the middle, for example in word dom, dom means house, the O is stressed and it gives clear sound O. And at the end, for example in the word Село, Село means village, the O is stressed and that's why it gives clear sound O. At the end of this video, I will give you some notes about letter O and its stress. Letter T. The Russian letter T is pronounced like the English letter T. It looks like this: T in uppercase and T in lowercase. However, if you are referring to the Cyrillic letter T, it's similar to the English letter. It's pronounced like the T sound in English words such as table or time. In words, T can appear at the beginning, middle, or end. I'll give you some examples with sound t, so you can practice and feel comfortable with the sound and learn new words. For example, if t at the beginning, for example, telefon. Telefon means telephone. If it's in the middle, mать. Мать means mother. And if it's at the end, Порт. Порт. This means port. Remembering t is like remembering the sound of T in English. It's simple letter, and with a little practice you will get used to it in no time. In most languages, including English, some syllables are emphasized more than others. A good example would be the word photograph. Photograph, where the first syllable is stressed. Compare this to photography. Photography, where the second symbol is stressed. Phonetically, the sound of the vowel changes. Here you can take some notes of the following examples. The first word is до свидания. До свидания. It means goodbye, pronounced like да, сви, да, ни, я. The do is pronounced as if it is part of the next word. Спасибо. Спасибо. It means thank you, pronounced like spa, si, ba. Да. Да means yes, pronounced like да. Нет. Нет means no, pronounced like нет. Сто. Сто. It means 100, pronounced like сто. Сто. Пока. It means bye and pronounced like paka. Плохо. Плохо. It means bad and pronounced like plokho. Хорошо. It means good and pronounced like хорошо. Today we fully complete the first category of the true friends. So now you know the letters A, K, M, O, and T, and you should know now how to use them. And thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe.